Okay, first I wanted to start up at the stairs to my patio. I have some lovely pumpkins on display. I had a pumpkin party a few days ago with my friends. We all carved some pumpkins. We go up onto the patio, have some dead plants on display because I wasn't able to keep them all alive. I still do have my rosemary and jalapeno and pepper plants, which are all doing pretty well still. Then through the front door, we come into the living room. I'm gonna start here at the dining room table. It also is my craft space. Underneath, I have all of my art and craft supplies, and then whenever I'm working on something, I pull them out onto the table. It's also a great place for when I'm doing my sewing. I have this cute little sign up from Target. I got that for my party. I'm gonna pan this way onto this wall where I have some of my pictures put up. I think they turned out pretty nice. Then here is my record player. It also plays CDs, Bluetooth, and an auxiliary. Great place for some tunes. Then over here I have a bookshelf, all of my guitars. On this shelf I just have all of my little spooky knickknacks. Then I'm going to come over this way and I have these lights and my TV, which I keep an incense holder on and a little statue my brother made me. This is the whole living room setup. I love our coffee table. On it I have this little receptacle for remotes and all of the little bric-a-brac that collects around the coffee table. I'm going to swing around this way to the bar where I have lots of little pumpkin and autumn things displayed. I would like to get some bar stools soon for that. And then we're going to come into the kitchen. This lovely picture up. Lots of reusable shopping bags for grocery shopping. Then swing around this way, see all of our nice towels and things. I picked this up at Michael's and I was like, oh, I have to have that. What am I going to use it for? Throw all my freaking spoons in there. And then a nice little skeleton plate for the spoons. And then over this way, I have my little coffee setup. I have my espresso machine. I love drinking espresso. And my coffee cup, which comes with me on all of my misadventures. I love this little picture. I got this at a thrift store. I absolutely love it. Yeah, so that is our kitchen setup. Gonna move along now to the bedroom. This, I would have to say, is my favorite room in the house because I decorated it first, so it is quite spooky. Have my pretty Hate Machine album sleeve. I lost the CD, so I decided to put the album art up on my wall. Here are all of my little tchotchkes. I like to keep little cards and show things. My little dresser set up, and then I have this bookshelf with all of my spookiness. I have some books down there at the bottom. I have my window unit because it is hot as heck. Down there I have my sewing machine and my school bag. Over here I have my altar where I do all of my witchiness. I really love this goddess statue. I'd gotten it for, I think, only $10, and it's honestly my favorite piece on my altar right now. Over here, I have my dresser. On it, I like to keep a big basket full of all my big beefy chokers that are a little bit too heavy to hang up. I have this little bat hourglass. I had gotten this at Michael's as well, and I absolutely love it. And here I have all of my piercings and body jewelry, little chains and things, little ornaments. And here I like to keep my sunglasses and all of my wrist warmers and things. This is a nice little Killstar wallet, and I keep any extra cards and things in here. Right here I have all of my necklaces hang up. I have probably more than someone would actually need, but I do wear all of them fairly regularly, so it's not too excessive. At least that's what I tell myself. This is my mirror, and I keep lots of little Polaroids hung up on here. I haven't been taking many Polaroid pictures lately, but I do really like having this display up. Then, if we move this way, I have my little like terrarium, and it's on stilts, and in there I keep a bunch of CDs. Mostly the CDs that I don't listen to much anymore. As the CDs I do listen to, I like to keep the cases in my car, just if I want to look at the lyrics or anything in there, I have it ready to go. I also, behind that, have these little, it's like a set of like bat wings. I picked it up last year at Halloween, and I love them. They're super cool. Then, down here, I have my shoes. I like to keep them all out on display and ready to go. Lots and lots of shoes. It even goes back there a little bit, and I have some more. Then up here, I have my bed, all of my spooky pillows. Up here, this this spider web decoration thing is actually a tablecloth, and I just threw that over what I was using to cover the window. Then over my bed I have this nice little goddess pentacle sigil. It's actually an altar cloth, but I just kind of felt bad like getting, you know, maybe incense ash or dust or whatever on it, so I like to keep it displayed up on my wall. Then this is where I like to keep my bag. Over there's my closet, which I'm not going to get into today, maybe in another video. And then here, I have my full-length mirror. I really love this. This is one of my favorite crystals. It is a big piece of labradorite, and the light catches in it are just absolutely stunning. I love that crystal. Yeah. So, move along into the bathroom. Not a whole lot to see in here, just wanted to show you the little skeleton towels I have set up in here and the soaps.